Good Sunday afternoon, my fellow YouTubers, my DIYers, the do-it-yourselfers, the get-her-doners. Hope you're having a good day. This is actually Easter Sunday, and I do want to say, because this is Easter Sunday, that I've been to church today. We've had our family meal. Of course, you should celebrate this really every day, like my pastor said today. But, you know, today, Easter, we're celebrating the death, burial, and resurrection of our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. And so I've done all that. And like I said, it's something we celebrate every day. I'm not saying like it's something we had to do or whatever. Don't mean it that way at all. I'm just telling you that that's what I've done today. I had a couple viewers that have messaged me on YouTube, and it's like, hey, where you been? I hadn't seen any videos in a long time. I hope everything's okay with you, and I appreciate that, and that's very kind of you. Today, I kind of wanted to make a video entitled, Where You At? So I'm going to kind of tell you where I've been, where I'm at. Things just got so crazy, just so out of control, so hectic that I just laid the camera down, because there's a lot of times that, you know, it takes a lot of time to video these and edit them, and I'm not in the right frame of mind to do it. And so I just put the camera down and I walk away. And even in the last week or two, I've been like, I don't even know if I'm going to pick it back up or not. But as I always say to you when I close these videos out, you know, if I didn't enjoy making the videos, I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't mess with it. But I actually enjoy making the videos. I enjoy them for you to see them, but I also enjoy to have them for my future later on in life to look back on them when someday, if I live long enough and I'm not able to get out and do this anymore, I can sit at home and watch videos of what I used to do. But I want to take you around today and just show you several things that I've had going on, several construction things that I've had going on, and just tell you a little bit about it, and just kind of tell you where I've been. I do want to come back and make more videos. I've bought a lot of new tools that you've not seen. I bought a new lawnmower to go with the Ferris Z3 that you've not even seen. You know, mowing started, just, you know, it's just been really crazy. I've had so many irons in the fire. And so I just kind of want to bring you up to where I'm at, what I've been doing, and why I haven't made any videos. So let's go drive around for a little bit. So we have this little house, and it has a garage. So this is an all PVC door. And I added this door in, and it has a movement sensitive light in it because I added a garage door. This had swing open wooden doors here, and I wanted to really upgrade this house, so I did that. And because it's a low headroom, they had to put in the motor is a side driven motor instead of normally up in here. I had a lot of rewiring done in the garage, had it all rewired, new lights and everything put in. The guys sanded these cabinets and painted them, and I mean, it was like 2 weeks worth of sanding. They were in such bad shape. This PVC door is supposed to really last really good. So let me show you the upgrades inside that we did. This house is already rented. My daughter has taken over the rental process. This house is the house that, if you remember a video or two ago, that I titled it Crack House. What a crack house looks like. In a matter of about 6 months, these people turned this place into a crack house and destroyed it before I could get them out. And our laws are in such a way that it's hard to get anybody out. And you got to go through a huge process, costs a lot of money. And so I came into this house and I was like, I'm going to come into it, I'm going to raise the rent up substantially, and I'm going to try to weed out that mess. And then my daughter wanted to take over the rental process because she's doing now where you have to do applications, do a background check, credit check, all kinds of stuff like that. So she's doing that. I put all brand new windows in this house. Every window in this house is brand spanking new. The previous tenants I had about a $600 or so stove in here, and they destroyed it. Side by side refrigerator, that was already here, but every window's brand new, all the blinds are new. This room here, you might remember that had a lot of wall damage where they knocked holes in the walls. So this is when Jason was helping me a little bit. So I came in and put this beadboard, you can see all the way around, and it really dresses the room up in the house, but I did that so we didn't have to do so much sheetrock repair. And I really like the way it turned out. I put new carpet in the bedrooms. The bathroom, I came in and I tiled the shower in here. I put a really nice storm door. This is an Anderson storm door. There's a guy down at 84 Lumber wanted me to try this door. It was a really expensive door, about $500 for this door, but it is a door that comes pre-assembled. And what I mean by that is you open this up out of the package and you just put the whole door up and just fasten it up, and there it is. So the process of it, you can see Anderson there, is pretty simple, putting that up. I also did that because I was putting some money into this house, and we were going to put the rent right around $1,000. So I was really trying to make it a really nice home and upgrade it. We go upstairs. I had all new lights put in up here, all LED lights, of course new windows. It's all carpeted, just a really nice upstairs. And then this is a walk-in closet, and I put racks all around this in here because the original racks had been torn up that was in there. So this is a house. It took us a pretty good while to get this one finished because it had so much damage to it. But I've got a 40-something-year-old couple that has rented this, maybe even 50s. I really didn't even meet them. My wife or my daughter did all of it, and but I know they're about 50. They're coming here to help take care of their grandchild. So let's move on to the next project. One of the reasons that I'm taking you around showing you these rental houses and what we're doing to them is I get lots of comments from time to time. People say, I get a lot of good ideas from you showing me what you've done to a house, or what you're doing to a house. It gives me ideas what to do to my rental property and things. So that's one reason I'm showing you that stuff, is for that reason. And I'm also wanting to show you what has been consuming all of my time and why I haven't picked up the camera, why I hadn't videoed. I'll show you something really neat right here that happened. This coming up on my daughter's salon, and you might remember last year during the summertime we repainted this for her, and I mean we did a makeover on this. I don't know if you can see that sign right there, but it won the Logan County Beautification Award. We were kind of proud of that, tickled to death with it. Then last week I had a house in another town that won the Beautification Award. It was a rental house that I had just done a complete makeover, and I'll show that to you on another video. But I was tickled that I got notified about that. But let me show you another project we've had going right. Not sure how well this video will come out right here because the electric is not wired in yet. Lee, my electrician that you've seen on other videos, I'll show you where he's been. I've got him spread so thin. He can't even get caught up, but I'm building me a 40 by 35 shop. And so this has required a lot of my time working with the contractor here that has been building this for me. And that's a walkway up there that's going to be full storage. You can walk over the office. That's going to be my office there. And that's a bathroom back there. This is something I'm really proud of. to be able to start storing stuff, pulling stuff in here and whatnot. So this has taken a lot of my time. I've got to go back and pick up this really good looking chick. She just called me and like, where you at? What are you doing? I want to ride with you. So I can't turn this lady down. Let's go pick her up. Here's this hot chick I had to go pick up. Y'all may recognize her as my wife. Now this is a house we were on, and it was in some videos. You may remember Lee was rewiring the house. It had a new riser put in outside. And we pulled off of this when I finally, you know, I was evicting the people that turned that other house into a crack house. And this is where we were working, tearing the floors out, putting new floor joists in. The bathroom is, where's the switch? Is gutted, and new floor joists. Had the electrician, it had a gas water heater, and I went with electric. It had gas heat. I went with all electric HVAC. And you may ask yourself, why would you go all electric? If any time I can go all electric, you narrow your utilities down to electric and water instead of electric, water, and gas. And a lot of times it's hard for people to come up with 3 deposits on water, electric, and gas. So this is a house we'll be coming back to. Now that we got the crack house done, we will. It's what they turned it into, is a crack house.
It's not a crack house.
It's not a crack house now. You saw it. It's a lovely house. It was a lovely house when they got it, but they destroyed it. But all brand new HVAC system in here. It never had central heat and air in it. It's got central heat and air now. All brand new windows. This house is really getting an upgrade, a makeover. It'll be a really nice house. I'll show it to you, you know, when we get done, but you'll see it some as we're working on it. Well, let's go to the next project. I'll have to do a voiceover here. I didn't turn the mic on. Christy and I acquired this property. It's a house and a 4-plex. So this is the inside of this little house. This is the first one we're doing. We're starting here instead of going to the 4-plex. We'll do the 4-plex after this. So, Christy there actually went to college for architect degree, and she has a degree in architect, so she knows how to draw. And so anytime we do any kind of construction type stuff, she draws it out, and either I or whoever does it, you know, goes off her plans. So to show you what we're doing in this thing and what she drawed up and come up with, and she's going to be the designer of the whole outside, the insides, and the whole deal. There was a bedroom right here. This was, I guess, maybe the master bedroom and another bedroom right there. She wanted them all on one side. And you can see this is a cathedral type ceiling, vaulted ceiling. And so this place has never had central heat and air in it. It had window units and had gas heaters on the wall. Of course, I want HVAC, central heat and air. So we brought the ceiling down over here, all the way across. That's a bathroom back there and a utility room. And so we did that so I wanted to do a lot of rewiring, plus we got a place to run the HVAC system, the ductwork and all to come through. And then this will be the open, like kitchen, family room, kitchen. She's going to redesign that. Yeah, she's moving it around and so on. So it had double front doors in it. We're going to bring it down to single front doors. It's going to be, she's going to put the board and batten look siding on it, outside right on that. It's getting a new roof. That's in the process right now. But anyway, this brought me to, I guess you might say, kind of a new area, a new era in my life. And Christy had been saying to me for some time, you're going to have to get some help. You're going to have to get some help. And of course, I didn't want to relinquish control. And I enjoyed doing this type of stuff. But it was getting to be so much because I had the 2 houses going in Russellville. We acquired this. And she kept just saying, you know, you need to get some help. You need to get some help and get you a contractor or get somebody to come in and help you and come in and do it. And of course, I didn't want to relinquish the control. Plus, I was thinking, well, I can do this and I can save money if I do this. And I was kind of getting to a point I was getting unhappy. I was, you know, I just had so much on me and so much stress. And she kept saying that to me. And then one day I was talking to a friend of mine. We'll just say his name's Jimmy. And he started in, you need to get you some help. You need to get a contractor. You need to get somebody that, you know, at your age, the age you're getting now, that you just show up at 8:30, 9 o'clock and, you know, and you go in, check on them, what they need, blah, blah, blah. And you and your two guys, Jeff and Tim, just go around and do maintenance, because we're getting behind on the maintenance on the houses, because I'm under such a load of the house that I showed you we were calling the crack house. It's not a crack house no more. The house I showed you where we tore the kitchen and the bathroom out. And then trying to get up here, it was just getting unbearable. So, if you remember from some videos back, I had a guy named Scott that he came in a house, put a attic in for me, showed me how to put an attic door in. Well, he's actually a contractor, and he has 2 or 3 guys that work for him, and they're contractors. So I have hired him. I've hired him, and they've done all of this. They're roofing it. They come in, gutted this thing, and they're going to build it back. And then they'll go to the fourplex, and they're going to do all of that. And so from now on, when I have a house that needs a lot of work done to it, I'm going to hire them to come in and let them do it, because, man, they can just knock it out so quick, and it takes a whole lot of stress off of me. Then we don't get behind on our maintenance and regular normal upkeep on houses, because I was falling and I am falling behind on that. So I just kind of wanted to show you this, what we're doing here, and I'll show you more of this, because this is a really, I guess, an exciting project for Christy and I. It's a project that we're really excited about. How far are we from Bowling Green?
Just about 25 minutes, 20 minutes.
Yeah, 20 minutes from Bowling Green, which is a pretty good sized city. The rent up there is really, really high. And so we're going to really dress these things up and really make them nice and try to draw some families out of Bowling Green to come out here. And so we're going to really put a lot into this, and we're really excited about it. And then this is setting on 1 acre and 7 tenths, and this is already plotted to build 2 more fourplexes on it. So that's something we're hoping we're going to be able to do and just keep expanding and growing. And so in thinking about that, it just got to a point that I was going to have to start subbing this stuff out, because I just can't do it. I can't keep up with it, and just not enough hours in the day, and it was wearing me out. So anyway, just kind of wanted to show you where I've been at. I appreciate you people asking, you know, man, what's been going on with you? I hope everything's okay with you. And everything's been fine, just been slammed with a lot going on. So I just laid the camera down. Well, guys, I hope you've enjoyed my tour of what I've had going on, just to kind of bring you up to speed while you hadn't seen me. And I will get back to making some more videos, kind of things get slowed down a little bit. Gets a little calmer.
It's not going to slow down.
Yeah, it's not going to slow down. I'll just get back to making videos, put it that way. God bless you. Y'all have a great day. Hope you had a good Easter, and I'll see you on another video.